2, 1. Solved. Probably need just a little more practice. This is legitimately like a little mini tiny adorable computer. That's freaking clever. I love that. Then the outputs or the effectors are the spinning motors, the flashing lights, and then the sounds that are played. My entire life, I've never sat down and solved a Rubik's Cube. So with that, let's start looking at some requirements. Separate those out. I wanted something with character. They're both super old school, but how cool would it be if I could hijack this power button and even the start timer for my own build? All right, so then this should be 104, and boom goes the dynamite. This is where the 3D printing shines because it really allows for this sort of trial and error for the perfect fit. And that is the power of engineering.